can't get in with me, then shit that ain't going. If I gotta change my ways to grow, then shit that ain't growing. Ain't got a pillow talk to hit your hoe, you must think I'm lame or something. You must don't know.
Alright, welcome back YouTube, welcome back to another vlog. We're starting this off in the car right now. We're going to pick up my boy Harley, and then we're actually gonna go watch shopping right now. No trades today, FOMC was yesterday. Like literally nothing going on today, so I figured why not go look at some watches. I've been meaning to sell my watch for about a month now. I feel like I've just kind of outgrown it. I don't really like it that much. I liked it when I got it. It was like one of my dream watches, but now not as much. So I'm gonna go get rid of that thing, and then you'll see what I get. I'm not gonna say what it is yet, but it's pretty cool. It's not a crazy upgrade or anything. It's just something a little bit classier, a little bit nicer, you know, fit the vibe a little bit more. So gonna go and get that, and I'll see you guys there.
There it is.
Oh yeah, are we live?
We're live. Oh.
Damn, I look just. Wait, low key, I wonder if I actually.
I don't think he did anything.
I think we're chilling. I heard like the metal crunch, bro, and I got like scared.
Bro, I heard the crispies.
No way. Yeah, sell this thing, bro.
Let's go get rid of it.
Yeah. Recently, bro, I've just been in a tough time lately, and I can't really afford the car anymore,
Yeah, bro.
I can't afford anything, so I gotta get rid of it.
You gotta sell it, bro.
Dude, it's tough out here, bro. Like you try and live a lifestyle that you can't, and
yeah, it just happens, bro. It's unfortunate. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah. All right, so where's this, bro?
I don't even know, bro. We're gonna have to go scout.
Where Scottsdale Watch Shops is? You have no idea?
I'm not from here. I'm just like using the co-working space.
Oh, okay, appreciate it, buddy.
Loker genuinely boys?
Yeah, Loker genuinely, we might be screwed. I'm going pretty swell, man.
Let's see.
Locked in.
So locked right now, bro. I'm trying to just.
Bro's just trying to get a new card in.
I know,
they're making
right?
it
They make
difficult
it
for him, bro.
We're in the back rooms right
Yeah,
now.
literally
bro.
dead ass, bro. Like, look at this shit, boys. Yeah, we're about to go teleport, guys. We're gonna fast travel. 1 second. They finally figured out.
Finally made it, bro.
After
that took us like 20 minutes.
Yeah,
bro.
literally, bro. It's
Honestly,
everybody
bro, if they give me like a Jew deal, bro, I'm not gonna lie. I'm grabbing the G43X and I'm blowing everybody's shit smooth off, bro.
Bro's not being a sweet guy anymore.
Nope.
He's about.
Hello, we were supposed to come in and see Luke.
Oh, awesome. Let me come grab you.
Awesome, thank you.
W. Moving militant.
That's right, bro.
Yeah, sell it outright.
Potentially, bro.
I'll see what we got.
Yeah,
I'll
for
go
sure.
around. Yeah, show you better.
For it, bro.
Now to figure out that, and then when he comes back out, we'll.
That's hard, bro.
Yeah, the
AP. Once you gotta throw it on. It's a jumbo too, so it's more expensive than the other one because it's like thin and it sits really well on the wrist.
Let's see. I'm sure you
I'll say it's like 72. I don't think.
I mean, put an AP on,
Bro, yeah, look at that. Instant aura. Now you're gonna be motivated like motherfucker.
Yeah, once you put it on the wrist,
Came in time too. I was very happy when he told me he was like, the Pepsi's here. I was like, thank God.
Yeah, wow, bro. That's hard, bro.
Damn, dude, that shit fits you crispy, bro. You
So
might-
the non-jumbo is a little thicker, so it
Yeah.
won't sit like that on the wrist. But this one's like arguably the comfiest AP.
Yeah. Oh, this thing's hard, bro.
Damn,
Give me a
bro.
couple months, bro.
Yeah, bro. We gotta.
Thanks, bro. That's
That
fine.
thing's awesome.
Yeah.
Lexus are over there.
I saw on your website, you guys still have that Cartier? It was Cartier de Santos. It was 2022 model.
That white face, that one's sold.
Damn,
That
bro.
thing's fly.
Yeah.
Like we got to watch it yesterday. We had it for 22 minutes.
Yeah,
There's a
that-
Panda Daytona. It was gone. Yeah, dude came and bought it right away.
I'm getting rinsed. Yeah. Am I cool with it? Yeah.
What happened?
Not gonna lie. Hold that ready.
Let's take a look.
We caved in. We low-key just got rinsed, bro. We got a stack of cash, no watch. We're gonna take a minute, reevaluate, plan our positions, bro. We're gonna come back stronger in a couple weeks, maybe upgrade. I realized that, you know, sometimes, bro, in 2026, I'm trying to improve on my delayed gratification. Can't get everything you want right now, bro. So, you know, just be patient and you'll get what you really want, bro. Don't settle. But yeah, we're gonna go get some grub, baby. Maybe do a little bit of shopping. I don't know. Damn.
W whip. W ass whip, bro. Sexy ass up. Every comp.
Yeah, bro.
Extra drive.
Gold
calipers.
Gold boys. Fast forward, we actually just ate and we did everything, and then bro copped some cologne he really likes. What did you get him, bro?
Actually, should I gatekeep?
Gatekeep what, bro?
Bro, people actually gatekeep cologne, bro.
They do that. We just finished up shopping, headed home now. Just gonna go and chill for the rest of the day. Not much else to do. But yeah, that pretty much it concludes for the day. I'm not gonna vlog anymore, but tomorrow we're gonna pick back up the camera, boxing class tomorrow, and then see what kind of buffoonery we get into tomorrow night. It should be kind of fun. We have a lot of boys coming, right?
Yes, sir, bro.
Yeah,
we got like
so-
3 of the homies pulling up.
So yeah, it should be fun. Should be a good time. So if you guys enjoyed this part of the vlog, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Yeah, right into traffic. What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Sun's like right in my face, bro, but geez. So it's the next day to meet with all the guys, and then we're going boxing. So we're gonna go hit boxing, probably get some food after that, and then see what else we get into. But yeah, I'm whipping over there right now because I'm a little bit behind, but that's pretty much it. So we'll see what we get into tonight, maybe see what's up as far as this weekend, and yeah, I'll pick up the camera when we get to boxing, bro. I'm about to be cooked all.
Boys.
Who are we here with? Yeah, we're good. We're
Compa
good.
Harley now.
Compa Harley? What is that?
Burning like a cool like 300 today.
Smooth,
I'm gonna go hard today. I got
smooth
like better
300?
stamina. Yeah,
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this time would be more cooked than last time, bro.
I might actually. I'm not as sore though.
I had 3
feel
bites of
good.
a Chipotle quesadilla, bro. You think I'm good?
Yeah, bro.
Think I'm locked, bro?
It's all good, bro. I need
Think
to
I'm
say-
locked?
I'm
Hey, can we appreciate this professional ass haircut, bro?
Yeah.
Holy, bro.
Spiffy ass guy now, starting soon, bro.
Looking like $1 million, bro.
Coming to a theater near you soon, bro.
Right now.
Me for sure.
Bro looks like the Don, man. The Mexican Don.
That's what I'm going for, bro.
All right, bro. Update.
Update.
How's how's the boxing, bro? Yeah.
Tyrants, bro.
How many calories do you think we burned, bro? Yeah, okay, can I get some skin, bro?
500.
Can I get some skin, bro? Can I get some skin, bro? Let's go. Bro, I was mid-drink, bro's like in my face, dude.
It's because I have a lot of allergies. Not to
Post-fight, brother, sister at, bro.
My fucking
Is it day one?
Scalable way.
I'll get up out of bed. I'm just
We need the pendant.
straight back down.
Really?
Gonna finish these eats, and I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Oh. Time to hit the hay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, and I will pick up the camera tomorrow. Alright boys, so it's been a pretty chill day today. It's Saturday, we got done with church, got a little bit of work done, and pretty much just been relaxing the whole day. It's like 9 p.m. right now, and I'm about to go actually head to my old workplace. I worked at a gas station like 3 years ago now, and I don't know, I'm just kind of in that mood. Starting off the new year, just kind of on the right foot. This year, or this month so far, has been like a really, really good month, and you know, I'm super blessed to be in this position. So I want to go and just kind of go back to my roots a little bit, sit over there and kind of think and just like take in everything. All right, boys, we're here. This is like pretty surreal, bro. Like as I was pulling into the lot, I like low-key got like, I don't know, nervous, bro. I felt like I was clocking in again, but this is it. I worked at this little gas station called Ventura Market. I used to come around the back, park behind over there, walk through, bang, go in, and then I would literally go and stock the cooler for like 4 to 6 hours, bro. And dang, dude, I just crazy looking back at it, bro. So I'm about to go in there, probably grab a drink or something, see if I see any of my old coworkers, and then just kind of come back in here. And went inside. I actually did talk to one of my old coworkers, so we did talk for a little bit, and it's just like really crazy, bro. And I don't feel bad or anything like that, you know, people are still working here, like they got to provide some way or another, but it just makes me feel, you know, even more blessed. It is humbling, you know, to see how much God has worked in my life and how much I can actually like take things for granted. So definitely a really humbling moment, and just, you know, again, super appreciative. I'm glad I kind of came here. I've been just kind of chilling in the car, reflecting, thinking a little bit. But yeah, I got my lime Perrier, just kind of chilling in here, bro. And, you know, just kind of thinking and planning for what the rest of the year has to offer and, you know, the next kind of moves I want to make. But yeah, there's not really much else I can say besides the fact that I'm super blessed, bro. I mean, I'm really just thinking now to back at those times, bro. Like, I remember, like, showing up to work sometimes and, like, forgetting a hoodie and just be, like, freezing, bro. Like, my hands just frozen, stocking those drinks, just hating it so much, just hoping, you know, when I'm going to get out, when am I going to be successful with this, when is it going to be my turn to actually get out of this, bro, and, you know, just have the car, have the life, have the freedom, most importantly, bro. Like, I was just praying for it to be my turn, and now it's like, I'm on the other side of the glass now looking back, and it's like, wow, bro, like it's crazy. So again, just super blessed, bro, and it just goes to show that I don't care who you are, where you're from, bro, like you can really make anything you want work. You just have to do two really important things. Like you just have to work relentlessly, bro. Like work like your entire life, your family's life, the world depends on it, and just trust God with everything, bro. He has a plan, he has the destiny for you. It's just your job to be able to steward what he gives you and glorify him through that. And that's really it. But as far as that goes, that's kind of it. That's kind of my thoughts. So I'm gonna chill here a little bit longer, drink some more of this Perrier, and just kind of chill out, bro. But yeah, it's been an amazing month, a great start to 2026. I'm just gonna continue to pray and meditate on these goals, and that's pretty much it. But if you guys are new to this channel and you don't know what I do something called swing trading. Basically, it's a hybrid between investing and day trading. I'm not a day trader. I don't trade forex, futures, prop firms, any of that. I trade just stocks, and I swing them anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. I make a ton of money doing so. You do need money to swing trade. I will say you need some capital, which will definitely help. But if you do want to get into it, you can just click the link in my bio or visit my page. I have all of my courses for free. I don't charge for any of the courses, so feel free to check those out. Or if you want to go to my TikTok, I have tons of TikToks posted on that as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I have like 2 spots left in JSS if you guys wanted to go hit those up. By the time this posted, I don't know if they're still going to be there, but it's worth the shot if you guys want to apply and stuff like that. But enough yapping. I'm going to finish up here and probably just cut the vlog here. So I appreciate you guys watching. It's been a great past couple of days. A lot of fun, a lot of good memories made, a lot of laughs, and stuff like that. But I appreciate all of you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.